What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out this catalytic converter Y-pipe fitting all 1999 through 2006 Silverado 1500s. Now if you have a check engine light, you've scanned your truck and you have the dreaded CAT code, you'll most likely need to replace them, and this option will be a direct OE style replacement that will save you a few bucks when it comes to maintenance. Now this system will meet EPA standards and will be a direct bolt-on option, so this is great for the Silverado owner who doesn't have the setup to weld, cut, or make any modifications, or simply doesn't want to. They just want to fix the problem and get their emissions back in check easily. Now, I do want to mention, while this is EPA compliant, that does not mean that it is CARB certified, so just make sure that you're following and keeping up to your state's emissions requirements. The catalytic converters on your truck are very important for the system to reduce the amount of harmful gases that come out of the back of the truck, which is why they are legally required for emissions. And if yours aren't working properly, they will let you know loud and clear with a CEL or check engine light on the dash. This option here will eliminate and filter those gases properly and effectively to reduce your truck's emissions, get your computer back in check, and will overall just be a great replacement to keep your truck breathing well, considering that at this point the Gen is a bit older and has seen more time on the road. This will bolt right into place with your factory Y-pipe thanks to the factory-like flanges, so you're not going to have to worry about any work when it comes to install, or extra work, should I say. The materials themselves will be a quality stainless construction, which will eliminate any rust forming, keeping the integrity of this system high. This will also come with the proper O2 sensor bung placements and will be a fully TIG welded system to maintain a solid construction over time. This will come in at about $300, which is an affordable choice for a full bolt-on Y-pipe replacement. There are other options available for CATs, but this one is specifically OE spec and again EPA compliant if that's something that you need for your vehicle and want a system that you can trust to hold up to those OE standards. In addition to the compliance, it won't require professional install or anything crazy to replace your current set, just some basic hand tools, WD-40, and a little bit of elbow grease. Now, install, while bolt-on and straightforward, will require some mechanical know-how in order to do it, so I'm going to give it a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and if you've got the right tools and the right setup, it should only take you about 2 hours, give or take, to complete. Now, as far as the process is concerned, I would recommend to start right off the bat with taking some PB Blaster, WD-40, or other penetrating oil to the bolts and the O2 sensors if needed. With the heat cycles the exhaust goes through, sometimes they can be a pain, so if you're still having trouble, heating up the exhaust can help as well. Just make sure you're being careful when you're doing so. You don't want to burn yourself. And I would also make sure that your O2 sensors are out before starting to loosen up the system. Now, once the O2 sensors are out and out of the way, you can start to unbolt the catback piping, and depending on how much movement that you have, you may need to remove it so you can maneuver the factory Y-pipe out of place. Then you can unbolt the upper flanges at the headers. You can pop out your factory system, bolt this system in, and button everything up, and it should be fairly easy to complete. So that's going to wrap it up for my review of this catalytic converter Y-pipe fitting all 1999 through 2006 Silverado 1500s, and you can find this system right here at AmericanTrucks.com.